Fats, oils, and greases that build up in an unmaintained lift station can cause it to be very messy and a foul-smelling part of your business. Even worse than that, the potential masses of those fats, oils, and greases building up in an unmaintained system could cause your lift station to malfunction and overflow. Today, I'm going to go over 2 different methods for maintaining your lift station and explain the applications in which they could be beneficial to you. My name is Dr. Rebecca Corwin, and I'm the Executive Vice President of Science and Innovation here at State Industrial Products. And today, I wanted to talk about floating degreasers and biological products and the effect that they can have on your lift station. Starting off with floating degreasers, they received their name due to their ability to float on the water inside of a lift station. These degreasers stick to the side of the lift station, preventing new fats, oils, and greases from building up. In addition, these products create a barrier that stops the malodors from rising out of the lift station, creating a bad smell. One of the main draws to a floating degreaser is their ability to immediately improve the smell. Once you pour one of these products into a lift station, you will quickly identify the scent of the product over the scent of the malodor. However, it's important to note that these products do not break down the fats, oils, and greases. If you already have a clog in your lift station, this is not the product for you, but a biological product may be. A biological product that you would use in your lift stations would be made of bacteria, enzymes, or sometimes even both. The bacteria and enzymes in the product break down and then digest the fats, oils, and greases that can cause clogs in a lift station. Biologicals are often preferred over floating degreasers because of how much more effective the bacteria and enzymes are at breaking down the fats, oils, and greases compared to the orange oil, citrus oil, or soy that you could find in a floating degreaser. If you were to use a biological product, you will see full results in about 30 to 60 days, sometimes 90, instead of seeing a large solid mass of fats, oils, and greases at the top of your lift station. After the use of biologicals, you will see digested fats, oils, and greases in the free-flowing water. It's important to note biological products can be affected by the temperature and pH of a lift station. For example, State Chemicals Ecolution Drainline Maintainer can only be used if the temperature of the lift station is 45 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and if the pH is between 4 and 11. The bacteria that make up the product will die at extreme temperatures and pHs. When choosing a biological product, it's important to note if the product contains an emulsifier. A product containing bacteria and an emulsifier can be an incredibly effective product because the emulsifier liquefies the fats, oils, and greases instead of digests them. However, it's important to note that some local governments restrict the use of emulsifiers. Emulsifiers work by liquefying fats, oils, and greases, but in some cases, those fats, oils, and greases will reform and re-solidify in the city's sewer system, creating a clog. To learn if your government limits the use of emulsifiers, contact the Department of Public Utilities in your city. In this video, you learned about 2 types of products to help maintain your lift station: floating degreasers and biological products. Floating degreasers are good to improve smell and prevent buildup of fats, oils, and greases in your lift station, and they work by floating on top of the water and creating a cap or a barrier. On the other hand, biological products are used to break down accumulated fats, oils, and greases. The bacteria and/or enzymes in these products digest the fats, oils, and greases that are causing you issues in your lift station. Now that you understand the difference between biologicals and floating degreasers, you're likely ready to pick out a product. The factors that you should look out for when selecting a floating degreaser are price point, scent, and strength of the product. If you think a biological is the product for you, the factors you would look out for are whether the product contains an emulsifier, as well as the price. For more information regarding the products and services that we provide here at State Industrial, feel free to visit our website at www.stateindustrial.com or get into contact with a sales professional by using the Contact Us link or on our website.